So I just found this little cafe here in Hua Hin. I just thought I'd show you around and show you what's here if you're actually visiting here. There's a lot of Western sort of pies and stuff like that in here, but let me show you what's here. So you've got options of a lot of different types of bread. You've got scones, it looks like. Really nice Italian bread type cooking thing. And the prices aren't too expensive. You've got a lot of different sort of quiches, meat pies. I'm trying the steak and onion pie for 65 baht. Pizza baguettes. You've got a lot of sort of croissants, other sorts of snacks. So there's lots of options here. And of course, if you want a sweet snack, you've got like cakes, all sorts of different types of cakes. And you've got other things on the menu as well, like salads, soups, rice dishes. And of course your coffee options up there, with your hot espressos. And a lot of other little snacks you can buy here. And you want some cakes to take home, it seems like there's a lot of options here too. There's outdoor seating area as well as indoor seating area. So yeah, it's not a bad little setup in here. Anyway, we've ordered the food, so we're going to try it. So this is the name of the place, the Baguette, and the entrance, trans fat free, and a little outdoor seating area here. And if you want to sort of get context where we are in Hua Hin, it's on the sort of main road as you're going out. You got a swimming pool place opposite, and it's Soi 39, it looks like here, where we are. But yeah, so we're going to go in and give this place a try. And it's open daily from 8 AM to 7 PM. And there seems to be also other things on the menu as well. So going through it, you do have selections of sodas, juices, various types of drinks, hot and cold. I've ordered a hot latte. And sandwich options. You've always got them here. You're after something sort of filling, and the prices are not too bad. Like you're looking at the prices here, and they're quite reasonable. You got burger options here too, by the looks of it. And yeah. And there's my meat pie that's arrived. I've ordered some sort of bacon twist. And there's my latte. I don't know whether they've got sugar here, good. You can also, apart from your burgers and rice, you've got your salad dishes that are options. Soup options for those that like their soups, spaghetti. So you got both lunch, breakfast, sort of dinner type options here. And your breakfast offers if you just want your normal sort of eggs, like toast. And yeah, so here's the address details for it. So there's Anne's soup that she's actually ordered. Some sort of rice soup dish. And yep, again, here's a closer look at the little snack I ordered. And my steak pie. I just wanted to show inside the pie, and as you can see, they've used good chunks of meat in here. So yeah, so let's give it a try. Even without any sort of tomato sauce or anything like that, the meat pie here is delicious. And these things here aren't too bad either. Nice snack. The pastry is just awesome. I'm going to make a point of saying that the coffee here is really nice as well. And I ordered a latte, whether with sugar or without. It's just a really nice latte. How's the soup, my dear?
Very nice.
Very nice soup?
Yes.
Mm.
Good.
Yum. How much was it?
65 baht.
65 baht. Okay, not bad. I'm really enjoying this. Look at these things. I think we're getting tempted by buying some desserts, so Anne's bought some. And we've decided to also try some of the beef curry pie that they've got down there. On our way out. It's too tempting. There's just too much nice stuff here.